Hello students, so in this session I'm going to show you how you can download Git and set up an account. So first you want to go to Google and type download Git, and that's going to take you to this website right here. You're going to see this Git installed for Windows. So since I'm using Windows, I'll be using this option right here. So click on this. So this is going to take you to this website right here. You're going to have different options depending on which operating system you have. If you have Windows, use this. If you have Macintosh, use this. If you have Linux, or if you want to build from other source, use these options. I'll be using Windows because that's the one I have. In this case, click here to download. So you want to click over here. So your Windows will look something, your screen will look something like this. So this is where you want to click. So after this is downloaded, go to your download directory. That would be right here, this one. And you're going to see this file something like this. Double click on this. So in my case, it was like this right here. This is the directory I went download, and I clicked on this right here. So after you double click on this, it's going to ask you a series of questions. So let me just do that. Yes. And this is the first message you're going to see. So click on next right here. And I'm going to choose all the default options. So this is what I'm receiving right now, and just stick with the default options. So next, next, next. Okay, next. And open it. Okay, this is good. Next, next. I'm just going with the default options. And there you go. Now this can take anywhere between 1 to 5 minutes. So I'm going to pause this video. And now you're going to see this window. So I don't want to see the release notes. You can unselect this box, go to finish. Now after this, open up your command prompt. So come over here and just type CMD right here. That's going to open up this command prompt right here. Click on this. And you're going to see this screen. And let me make this screen a little bigger so this way it'll be more visible. All right, and just type git space minus minus version. That's going to tell you which version of git is installed, if it is installed. And there you go. So git has been successfully installed because you are able to see the version right here. So make sure type this command, and that's going to tell you which version of git has been installed on your computer. And then after that, you have to go to this website, github.com, and you have to create an account. You have to sign up for this if you do not have an account. So let's do that. Open up a new tab, type GitHub, GITHUB, enter. And this is the page that's going to open up. So click on GitHub. And you're going to see this page. So right now this is how the page looking like this, but just to give you heads up, this page changes a lot, so the screen may look a little different in your case. All right, then you want to sign up. You can either click on this or you can click over here. So click on sign up for GitHub, and now it's gonna give you these options. So either you can enter a new email, create your password, enter your username, and then enter all the information over here, or you can actually continue with Google. So in my case, I actually continued with my Google. This actually used my Google account, and this way you can set up and sign up for your GitHub. So after you have successfully signed up and then you log in, this is how your page will look like. In my case, it looks like this. In your case, it may look a little different. This is going to show your username right here, the one that you selected, or your email. And this side would be blank in your case because this is the first time you're signing up. In my case, I already have created these repositories. And you can actually click over here, just play around, take a look at what all the options you have. So this is the repository. That's where you'll be putting most of your codes at. So these are my repository right here. You can go back to your home page, click on this. That's going to take you to your home page. All right. I hope this session helps. In the next session, I'm going to show you how you can create a repo and put code over there.